Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fresh perspective on a springtime arrangement with beautiful fresh flowers and asparagus from the grocery store. I chose to focus on orangey copper because it seems so vibrant for springtime. Butterfly ranunculus, Japanese ranunculus, tulips, hypericum, and then a variety of different foliages. The container, a standard cylinder, 2 rubber bands. And then of course, the asparagus. And you just slide it down through the rubber bands, lining it up, and repeat this over and over until you get the entire vase covered. Once you have it all in place, you can adjust your rubber bands, putting one closer to the bottom, maybe one a little bit higher, making sure that everything lines up parallel. And then go back and add water, pre-mixed with flower food. Starting with the foliage will give you a nice base to support all the blossoms. So bringing in some gorgeous leucadendron, breaking it down, cleaning off the sides, making sure that anything that would be in the water is cleared out, giving it a cut, and then just dropping it right in. Super easy. Adding a little bit of ruscus, getting 2 different hues of the green, giving it that fresh springtime look with the bright yellow green and then the darker forest green. Letting things just radiate outward in the vase, creating a starting point for your flowers. The greens give a lush base. Now going back and just tucking in the flowers, the tulips, and they'll continue to grow, adding life to the design. The hypericum for that vivid corally orange. Picking up the orange of the tulip. The Japanese ranuncula, so big and bold. Finding the perfect hole to slide the stem down in. And then repeating that with the rest of your blossoms, making sure that you radiate from the central binding point and circling around. Saving the delicate butterfly ranunculus for last. They're so wonderful, so delicate, but actually very sturdy and long-lasting. Their stems are strong, so you can place them in, sliding them, and let them go a little longer, dancing over the top of the other blossoms, bringing them on out, drawing the color upward, some of the more open blooms, filling in, and you can see they bring the bouquet to life. The finished design just needs a little bit of an accent. Maybe a tad bit more foliage. The delicate maidenhair fern softens things, lets it come out draping, a little bit more flowing movement. And then to cover up the rubber band, a bit of barked ribbon, half a strip of U-glue, just peeling that off. Place it on the back of the ribbon. Pull. And then just wrap it around over the top of the rubber band, nice and snug, securing it. And then repeat it with a second piece at the top. A quick trip to the grocery store to get the asparagus, a vase, and ribbon. And then just some of your favorite flowers. I used 3 tulips, 5 of the Japanese ranunculus, 5 of the butterfly ranunculus, 7 hypericum, 3 leucodendron, 5 ruscus, and then 5 maidenhair fern. And you can see it makes a fresh springtime vase perfect for any home. It may not truly be spring, but spring is in the air and it's in the flowers. For more creative inspiration, you'll find lots of spring designs at flowerschool.com. Check out the website. If you've got questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. And I'd love to see what you create. Gather your spring flowers. Stop at the grocery store. Make your flower arrangement. Take a picture and post it on social media. Be sure to tag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see, as well as the entire tulip tribe. Now go have fun and do something you love.